Welcome, my beautiful subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos. Today we are preparing ching ching. All we need is flour, all-purpose flour, sugar. You mix everything. Add flavor of your choice. You can use vanilla, you can use strawberry, anything that you have in your home, everything that you like. But today I'm gonna use milk flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Yeah. Then we add some little prestige. You can decide to use fat, you can use butter. Yeah, as I said, anything that you have. Then 1 egg. You mix everything together, everything. Salt for taste. Yeah. Then we go in with our hand. Fastest way, traditional way, African way, before mixers came. But if you have a mixer in your home, you can use your mixer. Yeah, modern way. Yeah, add water little by little until you get the right mixture. Not hard, not super soft. Yes, hapo katikati. Not hard, not super duper soft. You understand? For better mixing, wekelea kwa meza. Mix for 1 minute hivi. Then tuweke in our tight container, in a very tight container for 15 minutes. There you go. Let it settle for 15 minutes, then we come back rolling our chin chin, rolling our dough. 15 minutes later, we're gonna slice this because it's big. Rolling a bigger dough makes work harder. So we're gonna slice it into half, then roll this one. Oh my goodness. Nimeweka a lot of flour. It's gonna darten our oil. So let's remove the excess. Yeah. It should be thin, not thick. We don't want thick chin chin. This is not mandazi, this is chin chin. Chin chin means crunchy. Thick means mandazi, and this is not mandazi. Yeah. So slice, we are gonna use scissors. If you want, you can use pizza cutter. By the pizza cutter is the best option. It's fastest. But if you don't have, hey, usikose kukula ching ching because hauna pizza cutter. You can use scissors like me. Okay? Use scissors. You'll still get the same result. But scissors takes a little more time than pizza cutter. Okay? Okay, my people. Okay, my people. For returning subscribers, asanteni sana kwa kuja kuona video zangu. New subscribers, welcome. Feel at home. And please subscribe. Please subscribe. Yeah. Today we are preparing ching ching, yamito. It's very good for parties. If you're hosting a party, I'm telling you, Ebu try this recipe. Children, yes, your children will love this. Watakuwa nakuja tu, they go play kidogo, they come pick one, they go play, they come pick. Yeah, it's the best for parties. Yeah, please try this recipe. Yeah. Yeah, I finished cutting offline. Yeah, to make work easier. Yes, to make work easier. Yeah. Oh my goodness, chin chin is nice. Chin chin is crunchy. Yeah. It's time for frying. Make sure your fire is not high, too high. Yeah, it's not high. And too low. Hapo tu in the middle. The good thing is you can regulate your fire if you're using gas. Yeah. And don't turn. At this point, do not turn. Ukiturn too heavy, it's gonna break. Make sure they cook for like 1 minute, then you turn. There. 1 minute later. Now you're turning our chin chin. At this point, make sure your fire is high. Make sure your fire is high. Ndio isichukue mafuta mingi. Yeah. Now it's ready. Golden brown. Yeah. Now let's remove. My spoon is small, so inatoa kidogo kidogo. Yeah. You can serve this with hot tea. Thank you.